Fart sounds. You're right, it's not just the air. The sound comes from the rapid movement of gas through the anal canal and the vibration of the surrounding tissues, including those cheeks you mentioned. Allodoxophobia. This is a real phobia, the fear of other people's opinions. It can be a very debilitating condition. Attraction and smell. Studies have shown that scent plays a significant role in attraction, often subconsciously. First airplane flight. The Wright brothers made their first successful flight on December 17, 1903 at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. People who like and subscribe are smarter,